Hello, it's Favor here. Today we are going to talk about how to raise or boost your testosterone levels naturally as a man. Are you aware that having low testosterone levels might put you at risk of not living as long as those with normal levels? So the aging process lowers testosterone levels. By the time you are 40, Mr. T is on his way down. Testosterone levels actually is at its peak when you're about 18 years old. Testosterone is a steroid hormone that is produced primarily in the testicles of men. It belongs to a class of hormones called androgens, and it serves various functions in the body. It is dubbed the male hormone due to its influence on bone density, muscle mass, libido, and overall vitality. If you want to learn how to recognize the symptoms of low testosterone and effective strategies to optimize your levels naturally, please keep watching. So a common symptom of low testosterone levels is fatigue and reduced energy levels. So men with low testosterone levels have a persistent lack of energy, which leads to fatigue and reduced stamina. Another symptom is decreased libido. You have reduced interest or desire for sexual activity. Testosterone is essential for muscle development. Low levels will lead to muscle loss and increased body fat. Mood swings, irritability, and feelings of depression can be caused by low levels of testosterone. Some studies suggest a link between low testosterone and cognitive decline, affecting memory and concentration. Furthermore, other symptoms of low testosterone includes erectile dysfunction, a condition where you are having trouble getting or keeping an erection that is firm enough for sexual activity. So what can contribute to low testosterone levels? Well, increasing age is a major factor. As you are growing older, your testosterone levels begins to drop, and this can lead to problems and play a role in age-related health issues and diseases. Increased body fat and obesity can also contribute to low testosterone levels, because increased body fat actually encourages the activity of aromatase enzyme, which is an enzyme that tends to help convert your testosterone to estrogen. So you have more of your testosterone being converted into estrogen with increased body fat because of the activity of the enzyme called aromatase. Certain medications can also cause a lowering of your testosterone levels. For example, anabolic steroids, which are used for performance enhancement, can disrupt your body's natural testosterone production. In addition, certain medications that are used to manage cholesterol levels, like the statins, and beta blockers that are used to control high blood pressure, are also known to cause a lowering of testosterone levels in men. Many people with diabetes also have low testosterone levels. If you can treat your low testosterone and you are pre-diabetic, it will prevent you from becoming full-blown diabetic. The two types of testosterone, the free testosterone and total testosterone, are usually lower in men with diabetes. Free testosterone is the amount of testosterone that is not bound to proteins and is readily available to be used by your cells. On the other hand, total testosterone refers to the overall amount of testosterone that is present in the bloodstream, both the ones that are bound to proteins and the ones that are circulating freely. The optimal levels for your free testosterone should be between 15 to 25 picograms per milliliter, while the optimal levels for your total testosterone should be between 600 to 900 nanograms per deciliter. One of the strategies for boosting your testosterone levels is having a healthy diet. A diet that has the right amount of proteins and healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D, which are very important for testosterone production. Also, cut down on excessive consumption of carbs that can spike up your insulin levels, because increased insulin levels will lead to a decrease in your testosterone levels. Regular exercise is another strategy that can boost testosterone levels, especially high-intensity interval training exercise. If you want to boost your testosterone levels naturally, aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to boost testosterone production. In addition, maintain a healthy weight and limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact testosterone production. Do subscribe if you have not, and leave your comments below. I read all of them. Thank you for watching.